Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned Lima beans. First, drain and rinse your canned Lima beans very well under cold water. This step helps remove extra sodium and improves their flavor. For a single serving, a standard 15-ounce can is usually perfect. Next, gather your basic seasonings such as butter, salt, and black pepper. These simple additions will form the foundation of a delicious side dish. To elevate the flavor, start by sautéing about 1/4 of a cup of finely chopped onion in 1 tablespoon of butter until softened. This adds a wonderful aromatic base. For an extra kick, a small pinch of sugar can balance the flavors, or a dash of your favorite hot sauce can provide a subtle warmth. You might also consider adding a 1/2 cup of chicken or vegetable broth for a richer, more savory profile. Once your onions are ready, combine the drained Lima beans with the sautéed ingredients in a medium saucepan. Stir everything together gently to ensure the flavors meld. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the beans to heat through and absorb the added flavors. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking and ensure even heating. Before serving, taste your Lima beans and adjust the seasoning with additional salt and pepper as needed. They are best enjoyed hot and make a fantastic, versatile side dish for almost any meal, from roasted chicken to grilled fish. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. These simple, flavorful Lima beans are sure to be a hit at your next dinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.